My name is Dave. I'm one of the technical advisors for Aico. Technical support for Aico means a lot because it's about giving the right advice and giving out the right information for the contractor to make sure the alarm's working as it should in a real fire situation. We have decided to use Zoom and Microsoft Teams because it's a way of speaking to the contractors when they phone up with an inquiry, whether it be a siting or a house coding issue. It is speaking to one-on-one rather than doing phone calls back and all the time. The benefits of this is that we can get hands-on with the customer and with the client, so if there are any issues with the alarms, we can get it sorted straight away, and there's no waiting for an alarm not to activate in a real fire situation. It's very reassuring to have the contact with the contractor and with the client face to face, so we can get that problem sorted, whether it be a wiring issue or an audio link or radio link issue.